Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to merge products in Shopify. First of all, log into your Shopify account. Then click on the products option. Now select the products you want to merge. Then export the product files. Now open the exported file in Excel. We are going to merge the two products into one, so make sure they both have the same name. Now rename the products if necessary. Give them a test name. Scroll to the image position and ensure the image numbers are in sequence. Let's say 1 to 15. Save the file as a CSV format. Return to your Shopify account and import the modified file. When importing, select Publish New Product to all sales channels and click Update and continue. That's it. You have now successfully merged two products into one. Thanks for joining us today. Hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.